Hello, everyone. This is Jody from Women Taking the Lead. I just wanted to jump on the microphone real quick to say the episode for this week is going to be delayed. It will be out in 1 week. I promised you an episode on how to ask your employer for coaching, and that is underway. It is coming together. I'm really excited about it. But I had an unexpected loss in my life this past week, and I will be traveling. And so the logistics of putting together the episode and some of the extras for it were just not lining up. And so I just also wanted to say, I don't know if it's because I'm more sensitive to it because of the loss that I've experienced, but I'm also seeing on social media and also hearing from different people who've also needed to reschedule things or couldn't keep a commitment, that a lot of you are experiencing losses as well. I don't see a day go by where I don't see 3 or 4 people posting that they've just recently lost their mother, their aunt, their cousin, someone very special and important in their life. And so I just wanted to say, for those of you who are experiencing loss and have been experiencing losses in this season, my heart goes out to you. It is a sad time right now, and we're all dealing with a lot. So I just want to encourage all of you, if you'll take this bit of advice from me, feel free to disregard it if it doesn't sit well with you. But I encourage and invite you to take care of yourself and do what you need to do for yourself and your loved ones to honor the people who you've lost in your life, to heal from the wound that is created when we lose important people, and allow yourself to recover and come back when you're ready. So that's what I'm going to be doing. By the time this episode airs, I will have traveled, spent time with family, childhood friends, and the like, and I'm going to give myself some space. And then I'm going to come back, hopefully, ready to work. The work is already underway, but getting done at a pace that makes sense for myself and for some other people who are helping me with this episode, who are also experiencing a different loss. Again, my heart goes out to all of you. I am looking forward to coming back and releasing those episodes. We've got a lot of good stuff, but just take care of yourselves, and here's to your success.